What's up, YouTube? This is Regular Barber. Show you guys this new clipper I got. Andis ceramic advanced clipper. Has detachable blades. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on it. So here it goes. So it comes with some Andis manuals, books, a few guards, 1/14. It's actually a broken one. 3/8. I'm not saying them in order, I'm just pulling them out. 1/8, 1/16, 3/4, and one. It says 1 on it, but I don't know, it's real big. So comes with some oil, and here's the clipper right here. Oh, and it comes with this little brush. So here it is right here. See, it comes off. Comes with the 000 blade. Oops. I'm gonna plug this in so you guys can hear it. Sorry guys, I'm recording myself. It's kind of hard. Really quiet. I'm gonna put the blade on it. Always turn it on. It's real quiet. You can tell I'm gonna like this clipper. I pretty much got this one so I could take it on the go, because I took my Oster Classic 76 with me on the go somewhere, and I dropped it, and I didn't want to ruin this one because it's more heavy, you know. But yeah, there it is right there. I don't know, should I take this back to get another one because it's broken, or who cares? Alright guys, this is Regular Barber signing out. Please let me know what you think of the clipper. If you have any questions, I will try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. Alright, bye.